Okay, so what was the next method? Suppose that you have to generate any random number. Okay, random random ANDER number. Yeah. Okay, suppose you have to generate a random number. What you will do? You will use the method name. Its method name itself is a random. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what I done here? We declared one variable that is const points equal to something. That's an array. After that, what we done? We had done points dot sort. Okay, means this is for what purpose? Sort. Hello.
Arranging data.
Yeah.
Yes,
For,
yes,
for
yes.
sort for sorting purpose. Correct. So what we doing here? It will sort the data. That's fine. But inside, see, 1 second. Inside we had taken one function who have no name. What is the function? Means who's without any name. What it is known as? Any
Anonymous.
function. Anonymous function. Okay, so function who have no any name, that is known as anonymous function. Okay, now see what we taken one function without any name. Okay, and here we passing again a and b as like previously, like a comparison function we had passed. Okay, same type. We passed two argument, and what it doing? It taking something return 0.5 minus math dot random. What it will do? It will take the random value. First check the output, then we will come to the point. What it going to do? First save. What is the output? Just 1 second. Oh, we not written console. So console points. Okay, now see what is output there. Output is 5 140 25 10. Correct. It's not showing that it is sorted. Correct or not? Now do one thing. Just refresh the page and take care of the numbers. On the first you getting 5. Click this refresh. What are you getting from the on the first position? What is the value?
25.
25. Again refresh that. What value you got on first position?
40.
We got a 40. What is happening actually? It's giving a random value due to math dot a random function. So whenever there is a requirement that you have to get a random value, what you will do? You will apply math dot random function. Okay. But one thing is here. What is that? That and this A and B, it's no need. If you want, you can remove. That's not an issue because we are not using that one. But so see 40, 10. Each time, whatever, not only a starting position or complete value, each time that complete value getting randomly. See that we getting different value at each time. Maybe sometime you will get same value, but it's sure it will give you different value. So how this working? We taken math dot random. With the help of this, it going to take the random value. So do one thing, remove this one, and let's see whether you getting that or not. So see, we got 40, 100 means as usual, whatever value is there, correct? Refresh the page. Had you got any changes? No, because what it going to do, it giving the same value. Okay, but what we had done here previously, we had done 0.5 and we had done minus. What it going to do, it taking some value randomly and then it is subtracting with a 0.5 and it giving you some random value. Now see. Okay, so whenever there is requirement to get any random value, you can use like this way. So is it compulsory to get means to write here 0.5 only always, or we can write anything? So just check, go with 1. Now see, what are you thinking? Will you got any changes in this one? When I taken 1 minus something, we will get.
Yes, sir. Get, sir.
Where we getting? See, we not getting any changes. See
Why,
that
sir?
40, we not getting any changes. Correct. Pass here point value 0.1. Now see, we got it. Get any changes? We got, but what it done? It reverse the value. See this, correct or not? 1025. It got reversed. So that's why we always taking what value 0.5 in means in the middle. Now do that. See that all time be getting random value different.
Sir,
Clear?
0.5 would be default value.
Yeah, always we will take this value 0.5. Let's check. Take 7. Let's see. Maybe here also you will get something. Let's see. 40, 100, 5, 10. Yeah, here also be getting that. Getting. So we will not take this value as 1. We can get between of 1 to 10. Means, sorry, not 1 to 10. 0.1. Yeah, 0 point means 0.21. Like that you can tell. 0.00 to 1. 0 point, yeah. Means 0.00 to 1.0 means that decimal value. 0.0 to 1.0 between this value. Clear? Because this is like percentage. 1 by 100, 7 by 10. It is like percentage value. So it will do the operation. Got it? So this way we can get a random value. Means if in the like where you can get in probability question, you can see that randomly you have to choose any value. Correct. Otherwise, I telling you in the real scenario, OTP. Okay. How you getting OTP? In your mobile, each time you will get a different value. Never you will get the same value because the random value they are passing there. Got it? That time they will use. Or otherwise, if you have or like a online test, suppose online test paper. If you have a bunch of questions, how much question? Maybe like lakhs of question. 1 lakh question. Each time if you getting the questions and displaying the paper with a serial wise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 25 question, will you got the number of last question anytime? If you going always in sequence form, like 1 to 25, will you got the last question sequence anytime? No. Got it or not? We will not get after 25 itself, we will not get. So in that scenario, whenever there is a requirement like this way, we will go with the random. We will select the random value. Clear? So this time it going to help. That's why in online test paper, you will see that if you have means if you going to attend any online test of any any like company paper or those, if they conducting with the help of third party vendor, then sure you will get different question because they're giving you random question. So how they pick up that one? With the help of math.random. Clear? This is the real exam. Means there you will use a real time scenario. So same thing we can do with the help of Fisher-East method also. Fisher-East method. So the above example array.sort is not accurate. It will favor some numbers over the others. The most popular correct method is called Fisher-East shuffle and was introduced in data science as early as 1938. Second, what's the message? Yeah. So in JavaScript method can be translated to this. So see, it had taken one value means array, and here he started the for loop. In for loop, let it started I equal to something length -1. Okay, then it taking that I greater than 0 and I minus something. Maybe you will not get this because we had not studied that for loop. When we will study for loop, you will get this point easily. So for right now, I will ignore this one. Okay, because after getting that that one for looping, you will get this one easily. See, same thing you can get not only with subtraction part, you can get with the multiplication or not. Just see, because it have to 40, 100. No, it's not giving. Let's write here 0.5. Will it giving? So see, it not giving. Correct. So always we will go with the minus only. Then only we will get the random. Clear? Okay. See, you know one thing where you can use this one. Const your color value equal to, okay, and make one array, pass value, tell color name red. Next, speak, then only you will get
Blue.
idea.
Blue, green,
BLUE, blue,
green,
GREEN, green.
yellow,
Oh, sorry. YELLOW, yellow. Next, some color. ORANGE, orange. Okay, so this much value be passed. After that, when you shuffled, means when you doing that randomly, you will get the random value. Points is not defined. Okay, because I taken color value. Now save. We got different value, color orange. Let's see whether it will work or not. I don't know. Yeah, it working fine. Now see what we can do. Can you tell me how to pass with HTML? Button. Click to change color. Anyone using Amazon Pay? No one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They're using Amazon Pay. Had you seen in that Amazon Pay one thing? 1 second. What is function name? Function is not there anything. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay, fine. So see, in Amazon Pay, you will see that the contact list, whatever available there, per day, the color of that contact list will change. Had you seen this one or not? You can check that now itself, that the logo of that icon means the logo of your contact list, the color of that today is something, tomorrow will be something, day after the something, it will be changed like that. Otherwise, when there will be no internet connection, some dogs are coming there. Correct? So, and you will see that when you clicking that reload, the dog image will change. It will come different image. Had you checked this thing or not? Oh, you are not developer then. Yeah. So tell me how I will change the color. Take ID. Body. What happened? Why nobody is speaking? This thing everybody had done. How to pass the color there? Document dot
document dot
Dot
get
get
element by
Get
ID.
element.
Get element by ID
Body
and
color.
pass
Body.
Body color.
body dot color.
Style.
Second,
Firstly style.
yeah, style dot
Dot
background color equal to what value? Now tell me.
red.
Now that is your turn. Okay, red. Let it to be red. You got red, correct?
Yes.
I want when I clicking this button, I want the color to be changed as you getting the random color here. Got
Pass
my
the
point?
point. Yes, sir. Pass the red points.
1 second. Which color I getting always? Okay, it's fine. Yeah, what you telling? What to pass?
Points.
Points.
Points. Is that will work? Let's see. What you thinking? Is this will work? Let's see. Nothing happen.
Sir, pass index value, sir.
Yeah, that index value I have to pass. And you can take any index value like a starting, last, means first index, last index, anything. Because see, first now this is red. Second time that become yellow, correct? Third time it become red, again red. See that. Oh. Red, yellow, orange, something coming, correct? So pass that index value. So points and pass this one, take 0. Now see. First yellow, next something. Got that idea? How it's coming? See that first index value, it coming that one. Correct. Now had you got some idea that how to use this random, where to use? Now ID equal to txtcolor color. I want to change the text color also, but not same color. Now tell me. Speak fast. Now you got that idea what I done.
Document dot get element by ID.
Document dot get element by ID.
Pass the ID text color and
Dot
dot style
style
Style.
color
dot
Background color.
color
Yeah.
equal to
equal to points.
points.
0.
Now I will take no, don't take. Okay, 0. Okay, let's take 0. Now see the issue. Where is that color? Where is the text? Random color. Because this background also become the same color. Then how you will got? You will never get that one. So pass
Yes.
different color. Take something. I
1
will take a last value. Points dot length.
minus
Okay, and a minus 1.
1.
It will give last value. Now see. Clear? Had you got something? As much value you want, you can pass here. Pass a hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, I don't know whether it's work or not. Yeah, it have to work. And which color I want? Any value?
FF.
Which one?
Sir, hexa value, I think I'm told.
Black. Let's see. So when you clicking, now it become black, and see when you got black in the first, last is the white. So we got the text as white. Then something. Then again. Got that? Each time it changing the value. Means it changing background also and the text color also. Had you realized how that working? So this type, suppose you have to take the question paper from your database, you can take like this way. So this type you can manipulate. Means on each click, you going to change the color. Clear? Any doubt? Tell me. So think that in this view, okay? Clear? Okay. Next, find the highest. Any scenario, can you tell where we can use any more idea? Any idea? Can you give me? Change color on button click. What is method? Random. Okay. So
So 0.5 is a default value
yeah, always we will pass that 0.5
for
because we had
generating random, sir.
yeah. Because we had checked with other value, that's not working. So we will take always 0.5. Okay. Now see, find the highest or lowest array value. There are no inbuilt functions for finding the max or mean value in the array. However, after you have stored the array, you can use index. Means when we are storing the value, in array here, after that we can easily get that after sorting mean or max value. Correct or not? Ascending or descending order, and after that we can get that. So next method is also there. So we can easily get that point dot sort function a and b, and then be returning a minus b. Yesterday itself we had discussed this thing. Correct. So this one. So this fine. Next. So go with the math function. Okay, means array having no any function like array dot sort. They have not. The function having means that method is available to the math. Okay, so we will use that one. So sorting a whole array is a very inefficient method if you only want to find the largest or highest or lowest value. In the sense, suppose that you want to sort the data, means we want to sort the data. Okay, means highest max value x value max value. Okay, so if we want max value, now tell me how to get that. Tell me the code. So we will write
Sir,
one function.
max. Yes.
Okay, so we will write one function. 1 second. Why we will? What is the need of function? We can write directly also.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yeah, sir. Max values dot sort.
Yeah, that's the thing. So there's this one, and now we will do max value dot sort.
Inside sort, passing function.
After sort, no need of function. Just wait. We will come directly. So now do the console log. Fine. And here we will pass a max value, and save. And now see the output. So what happened? This is your value. Okay. Let's comment this line. So now see, we got the value 1, 10, 100, 25, 40, and 5. It's not came proper. So what we was doing? We was doing means comparing that. Correct? So function after this, what we was passing?
A comma B.
Comma B.
Okay, next.
After parenthesis
Return.
passing.
Okay.
Return A minus B.
Return A
A minus B.
minus B. Fine. Okay, let's see. So we got 1, 5, 10, 25, 40, 100. It's given proper.
In ascending
Now,
order.
yeah, so it given in the ascending order, and now we can easily get that which is a highest value or which is max or which is mean value. Correct or not? So how we can get, Praful? How we can get max and mean value?
Yeah, sir. In sort method, ascending.
For
Now we
mean
got the
value, we are
value
going.
here. Now tell me how I will get first value and last value, because first is the smallest and last is the highest, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Praful?
For mean, we are
So
going for index 0, and max, we are going for length minus 1.
yeah, so we will do that. So suppose we have to get mean value. Okay, so what we will do? Max value index. Max value. What is the index? Index is 0. Fine. Let's see. So we got the mean value. That is 1. What about the max value?
Max value is length minus 1.
Length minus 1. We will not write means like 5, 6. No. We will go with the dynamic. Max value dot length and minus 1. Now save. Maybe you will think why we had done minus 1, because minus 1 if you putting, you can check manually also what value you will get. Then you will get undefined there. Okay, because on last means length position there is no any value. That's why you can check that what is the length in the console directly. So this way we can get that. Now see, for getting just one max value and mean value, what we had done, we had sorted that complete array. It's not correct one, because for getting just one value, max and mean, we had sorted. It's a time taking, it's time consuming. So in place of that sorting, we can go directly with the math function, and with the help of math function we can get the max and mean value. Always try to write these all with inside function. That will be better actually. Max, mean. Why this is better? Because this become your blocked scope, and due to block scope, variable will be only accessible inside. It will not come outside. So you will not get any error in the case of variable. It will work fine. Okay. Next. Max and mean with the help of sorting method. Correct or not? So now we will not take, means we will not go with the help of sorting method. We will go directly. So how we will get that one? So using math dot max on the array. So let's see. Using math dot max. Now see what we done here. We taken one array. Okay, that is const something. We will not want this one. Remove it. So second function my array max, and here we had taken the array. Okay, and where is the array? Array is in the points. Take this one and pass inside, and pass here also, and now return console.log, and what we will do, my array max. We will write the function. Let's see what is happening. What happened? 1 second. It given infinity, it given max, points, function.
Sir, you run function. Inside function, you pass points.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
console.
I think now is have to work. Oh, 1 second. One second. No, something mistake is happening here. Wait, point already declared. Where that is declared.
Sir, change name, sir.
Yeah. Otherwise, wait. Points value. My oh 1 second. Cut this one. Pass outside. Points value. Points value. Then it's taken. Points value. Here it's called console.log it given minus infinity. Where is the mistake? Math.max apply array is equivalent to math.math. 1 second. Let me see examples. Okay.
Sir, my array dot max here. Pass sir some parameter, no, sir.
Okay. Wait.
Parameter.
Yeah. It's now it have to work. Yeah. So see what we done here. You can write this outside also. That's fine. So see what we done. We taken one array, okay, and inside array means for the after that array, what we done? We taken one my array parameter means same. We created one function my array, and here what we doing? Math.max.apply. This is the method. Okay, in this method, starting position you have to pass null. Okay, for the comparing purpose. The second for comparing the second one, you have to be pass the first parameter. So it will be always null. Okay, don't worry for this one. And second, what is the second? Second is array. So from now, tell me, we already know in the function concept from where the parameters are coming. So see this. In the console, be writing this one. In the console, we are calling this value. Same thing we can do with the variable, correct or not? Means the function call we can pass with variable. How to pass with variable? Tell me. This function we have written here. We not want to call like this way. We want to call with variable name. How to make that?
Make a new variable.
Yeah. So let max data equal to and call that value.
Yeah.
Call that function, correct?
Yeah.
And now pass that max
Variable.
data. Now see what we done. Now save. So see here, we call that means function, okay, and we call that function by with the help of variable name, okay, and this variable we had passed in the console. Up to this clear, but one thing, what and how it's comparing for that purpose. Now come to the point. So this is my array, means sorry, this is my function, correct, and in function this is single argument, correct. So what is that? This means the point. What is this? What it containing? This point, what it containing? What?
Array.
Containing arrays.
It's containing array. So what we done? we pass the complete array inside that, means say the function as like parameter. Same thing we had done with the help of a object. In the case of object, we was passing the complete object as parameter. Correct or not? We had seen that previously by passing the complete object itself in the parameter. So same thing, what we done, we pass the complete that array. And after that, now come to the function. What we doing here? In my array max, this is just function name, nothing is there. Argument is ARR, anything you can take that. But whatever argument you passing here, the same argument we going to apply in this condition, math.max.apply. So one thing, math is the math function, and with math function, the max operator is there. What I told, array have no any max and mean function, means sorry, method. Array have no any max and mean method. It is available with which one? Math operator. Means you can tell math object having that. So how we was getting that with the help of array? Max and mean value. How we was getting with the help of array? How we was getting max and mean value? How we was getting?
Index answer length minus one. Hello. हेलो प्रफुल्ल
हाँ धर्म।
सर का कनेक्शन चला गया क्या?
नहीं सर तो अभी है, लिफ्ट थोड़ी हुई है।
Okay. So in math.max, what we were doing? A screen is visual, correct?
Yes sir.
Okay. So same thing we can do with the help of math.max, but just for the clarification purpose, we will write a single line in single line. So how we will write, just see. So this is your array. Okay. First write console.log, and here what you will write, just write this array itself. Okay. Now save the data. Let's see what we got. We got the complete value. What we want? We want math.max. Copy this line and pass here. So see one thing, math.max, how many arguments required?
2 sir, null and array.
2 argument. So we will do that thing. Remove this one first. For right now, math.max. Okay, let me write here itself. Remove this. Yeah. So right here, math dot max dot apply. Okay, and after that I start the method. Fine. And see this argument here, you have to pass null. Fine, comma, second argument it will be data. So pass the data. What is the value? Pass anything. 40, 100, comma 5, comma 20, comma 1. Let's see. Check the output. What happened? Had you got 100?
Yes sir.
So max value. Now see.
Sir, we can also assign in variable sir. Same line.
1 second. 1 second. In single line. So see what we getting? We getting 100. Yeah, you telling with variable. Yeah, we can see same thing we had done here. We had just passed in the function, but we had done the same thing. Now see how you will pass with variable. Cut this line. Let max value equal to, pass this. Is this clear? This line. Math.max.apply inside null comma data. Correct? This data. This is my array data. So this data, and what we will pass here? We will pass a variable name.
Max value.
Where is that max value? Oh, this is inbuilt method. Wait. Max value, I will take 1. Max value 1. Now save. Now see. We got 100. Clear? Now see. Simplify this one. Don't take the value as a hard coded. Maybe it coming from the database. What you will do? You will again pass something. So take like ARR data like this. And I going to make one variable. Let ARR data equal to this one. Clear up to this line or not? Now save. We got the same thing. Clear this 3 line. What we done? From the single line, we had gone reverse order. Why we gone? Because tomorrow this data will be not hard coded. It will be came from somewhere database. Got it? That's why. Is this clear? Max value?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Next, we will do the same thing with a mean one. Everyone cleared or not? Max value in simple page. Is it getting or not? Don't skip class, otherwise complete will be 0. Now, mean value. We will follow the same scenario. No any differences. Just copy this line of code, paste here, okay, and change the value. Array data 1, pass this one as a 2. Now tell me where I will change. Any idea?
Exchange mean.
Math.min.
Yeah, correct.
Apply.
Just up 1 second. I will pass here array data 2. Fine. And here just pass in place of max go with mean. And let's see what value you getting. You getting the 1. That is minimum value. Remove this one. Let's save. Now see. Clear? Got it? So this way we can get a max value or mean value. But same thing we was getting with the help of array method. How? With the help of what one?
Linked -1 and
Oi, link -1. That is sorting method.
yeah, sir, sorting it.
You have to tell that sorting method, okay? Getting or it's looking tough? What are you thinking? Is it complicated? These all are too simple, okay? Just a simple method. Why be gone with the math method? Why be gone with the math method? Why not inside array? Can anyone tell me?
Because these things belongs to number.
Yeah, because math, I mean say the array method not having this one. What is this? All understood? You guys understood? Yes. Okay, because array having no any inbuilt method to find the max or mean. That's why this is available with whom? This is available in number. That's why we gone with the this is available in math. That's why we gone with the math functionality. Clear? Same thing we can do with the help of looping also. But this again we can't get because we don't know this idea. For loop, while loop. That's why I will ignore this one. So next, mean already be seen. Sorting object array. Yeah, this is the. How to sort the array? See this point. Sorting object, not the array. Okay. How to sort array? How to sort array? You already seen.
Sort method.
how to should sort that? Repeat again.
We're using sort method.
Yeah.
No,
So
no, no, sir.
yeah, array we can sort with the help of sort method directly. Array dot sort. But now we will look over sorting the object array. Okay, means this is not array. This is combination of array and object. So we can't sort like that way because we don't know whether you have to sort with the help of this basis or this basis. So you have to tell on which basis you have to sort. Got it? So it will be means functionality is same type. There is no any difference, but minor difference is there. How you will access this data? If you have to access a year, how you will access this one? Tell me. How you will access?
Sir,
Yeah.
with the help of car name, and after that car and the dot we are going for value key
Cars
value.
dot. Yeah. So we will pass a cars dot a year. Correct or not? Is this correct?
So
But actually year is not in single line, it's three object having years or same year.
Tell me, because this already we had discussed. I want the answer. India want answer. Tell me. This is giving undefined. Tell me fast. Abhishek.
remove cars.
Okay, remove car.
Double quotation.
What you telling? Double quotation. Okay.
Past type.
Past type. Okay.
And after quotation, put comma
Comma.
and year.
What? Year. What are you doing this one? What is this?
Year.
Abhishek, tell me how to get this value, type or year.
Yes, sir.
How to get a year? This value 2016. Shivani Sinha, how to get that? Roshan, Praful. Okay. What is car?
Sir,
Array or object?
Array name, array.
sir, car inside square bracket pass car dot
Car after this
square bracket
bracket
pass car dot
inside a square bracket.
yeah sir.
Cars dot
Length in last
length.
value.
Okay. After this,
No sir, but okay sir.
okay. What output you will get with the help of this one? Tell me. Anyone? What output you will get? Tell me expected output.
All data will get, sir.
All data.
One sir.
It will give you undefined, sure. Because a car dot length, no value is available on length position. -1, the value will come. Last one. Correct or not?
Yes.
Because last value, there is no value, length. On that position, there is no value. But length -1, we got the last one. Correct? But see, same thing. What we want? We want a year. Pass a dot year. You will get that value. What happened? Oh, sorry. -1. We got a year 2010. How?
We got
Praful
is
had
given last value.
Praful had approached somewhat correct. That's fine. See, what is a car? Say car is a array. Correct. So how to get the value inside array with the help of index? So we will pass the index here. Correct. So which one we want? We want a first
Zero.
value.
Zero.
We want a 0th index. This is available on 0th index. This is on first index. This is on second index. So I want a 0th index. Pass 0. Let's see what you getting on 0th. Volvo and 2016. What I want year. How you will get year? With the help of dot, because
Dot.
now see up to this is your array. But after this array, you entered inside the object and accessing the object with the help of a key. So you will pass here dot and key value, key name. So what is the key? See, you getting suddenly type and year, two things. And see that this is not your simple text. This is something coming like a data, means something different type, symbol is there. It's showing that property, correct? Next, year. So we want a year. Let's save. So we got year 2016, this one. How I will get the second year, 2001? How to get that? Anyone, please fast.
Right
Don't
one
waste this.
in
Write one here in
yeah.
index value. Now you will get 2001. I want a next one, pass 2. Means according to index value. I want type and year both same time. How to get?
Sir, remove year and dot.
Otherwise, we will do one thing. We will pass one more time, correct? And we can pass here, means concatenate that. Okay, and remove year and sorry, pass type. Let's see and save. So what you got? BMW 2010, correct? Because we getting second position here and second here. So BMW 2010, 2010. So same thing we going to do in the sorting of the object. Yeah, object containing the array. So what is this? So how to get object data? With the help of a dot and whatever you want, correct? So same thing we will do in that case also. So how to do that? So let's see what we will do. Are you getting this line? Tell me. Explain this line of code. What is happening? Car dot sort as like array. Yesterday we had discussed. Inside this, we going to compare operator. Comparison. So what we comparing? We taking A and B, two value. Which two value? This value, this complete object, this complete value, then this complete object value, then this complete object value. We getting two value. And what we doing? A dot year, because we want cars dot year. That's why we getting A dot year. Means this become completely A dot year. It will give you 2016. Or B dot year, it will give you 2001. Or this dot year, it will give 2010. Clear this line or not? Tell me. This line. A dot year, why it's taken? Clear? Tell me yes, no, anything.
Sir, one time please.
Okay. How to access the data of object? The help of a
Index.
dot year. No, not index, key value. With the help of a key, correct? So what we doing here? Car dot sort. We going to be sort. And yesterday we had seen comparison. So how to compare? With the help of doing minus. Means yesterday we were just doing this line. RETURN return A minus B. We were doing this or not? This line?
Yes, sir.
We were doing this line yesterday. Now what I want, will you subtract BMW to SAAB or this one to this one? Is this possible?
Yes, sir. B minus 1.
Okay, means we can do that also. Okay, so how to get this value? Type. Okay, do one thing. Wait. 1 second. Cars dot sort to be log. What is the value? Cars. Let's save. Now see that output first. What you got? What we got output? We got
All
anything?
three objects.
We got three objects: Volvo, SAAB, and BMW. Because B not sorted anything, do one thing. Let's say do B minus A. B minus A. What are you thinking? It will not sort. Why it not sorting? Because B not giving that whether you have to sort with the help of type or you have to sort with the help of year. Getting? Because it getting confused because two values are there. Be not telling that on which basis you have to sort. Clear or not?
We have to pass the key, then only it will be going
Yeah.
to sort.
So you have to pass that key. So now tell me how we will get this value with the help of type. Means if we will pass here B dot type or second value A dot
A
type.
dot type.
Correct. Now see the output. What you got? Volvo, SAAB, and BMW. Same thing. Do that. Remove this B and pass A and check that here. Remove B. Yeah. Now check whether you getting or not. So what happened? Volvo, SAB, BMW. It's not get. No issue. Come to the year basis. Okay. How to get the year? In place of type, what we will write?
Year.
Here. Then only it will means it will give us year value. And now you will see that it going to sort. Now see which value is on the first SAAB, where that value is in the middle one. Then second came BMW, and see the order of sorting: 2001, then 2010, then 2016. Clear? Now do that opposite B and minus A. Now check. See that 2016 highest value, then low value, then lowest value in the descending order. Correct or not?
Sir.
Because one second. Because we can't sort the string value. This was the string value. We can't able to sort that one. But when we gone with which one? Year basis. With the help of number, we get sorted. Correct. Now tell me what is the issue? Yeah, Samir. Suppose that
yesterday we already seen, means in number, if we are going to sort, then for we have to go for that
comparison.
anonymous function. Yeah,
Yeah,
comparison.
that's why we going again
So
in the
it's
case
not
of this one.
considering a string.
Now do one thing. Maybe you getting confused. I will do one thing. Comment this line and make this as a array. Now tell me 20, 500, 250, 30, 10. What modification I have to do in the second one, in the return case? Is that available A dot year or B dot year in that case? Upper one. Please just speak, then only you will get clarity. B
No,
dot
sir.
year, no, it's not available there. What we will do? We will comment this line and we will just write a return A minus B. Correct or not? Is this clear? Now see 10, 20, 30, 250. It's in the sending order. Now do that B minus A.
Descending.
500 that become in the descending order. Correct? Do one more time. Okay. Where is the color name? Okay. I taken the color name and now let's see whether it giving you a ascending, descending or whatever. Let's see. Red came, blue, green, nothing differences are there. Let's go with A and go with B. Let's save. What happened? It giving red, blue, green as usual. Correct or not? If you have to sort this one, what you will do? Which one? Which method we will use for sorting a string? This is a string value. Why nobody is speaking? Hello? Why nobody is speaking? This is your string value. So how to sort the string value? What is the method?
Method of
Index.
splice.
Splice for sorting.
Sir, path direct sort, sir.
Just sort directly, it will give you value. See, we got a B first, then we got a G, then it's O, then R, W, Y, X, Y, Z something. So if this is like just means like you can tell, if this is just a string, you can directly pass the sort method. Okay, a string case. If this is a number, don't pass it directly. How to pass? Or sorting of the number, how to pass that? With the help of a comparison operator. See, if you're not revising, this is the problem. Reality. This is not HTML. Please consider this thing. Otherwise, you will be in the trouble. Now see. Remove this line also. So here we sorted that 20, 50, 250, whatever number is there, we sorted that. How to sort? Just directly by keeping that, and we will pass the comparison operator, means comparison function. Okay. Now, how to sort the object? Means array inside the object. So we will access the data. How to access the data? B dot year. Like this way we can access. Suppose just consider. This is don't take a type. A student name. DOB. Now tell me how to sort DOB. How to sort DOB according to DOB.
Sir, pass B dot DOB.
Replace sir
B dot,
here.
yeah, DOB and minus here also DOB. Now whatever value you will get, it will give you based on the DOB sorting order. See, 2016 is on the highest, then 10, 5, 1. It's become in the descending order. If we want ascending order, what we will do? We will pass A, and here we will pass B. Let's save. Now check the value. What we getting? 2001 on the top means ascending order. Clear? So two things we had seen: how to sort array, how to sort object. So how to sort array means both concept of which one? A string type. Don't think regarding the number. Number is just we will take the sort method. That's it. If this is a string type, what we will do in both case, we will use the comparison method, comparison function. And if that is object, we have to access the data. So how to access data? With the help of a key. Then only it will give you the value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What data of object and sort data of array. array object. Okay. Const let it to be remove this one. Read.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Not
Yeah.
in use in number in array in function.
Just 1 second. Red, BLUE blue, comma ORANGE orange, comma blue HITE white, comma red PINK pink. Yeah, Praful, what are you telling?
Sir, only function method use only array object and array, not use in a number.
Number be just already inbuilt method sort is there. So what is the need of going with this one? Correct. We
Yes.
can directly go with that. But if you
Sort.
want, you can go with this also. That's not an issue. Okay. We can go
Yes.
with this also. It will work. But no need to go this much lengthy. So see, I will write here one summary. Now you tell me. Regarding GARDING, regarding sort. Okay. If number, then what? How to sort? Using
Sort.
Comparison method.
using SORT sort and COMPARISION comparison function both है. Correct or not? Sort using both है.
Sir,
We can sort using both sort and comparison function. Let's see how we can sort using the 1 second. Yeah.
A number, suppose we have number, then how we are going to sort method? Because if we will get 2 or 3 digit, then it's never gonna sort, sir, for number.
Yeah. Sort method will not work there. That time it will give you error. Only comparison will work.
Yes, sir.
We can sort using the comparison method because due to that lengthy number, means 2 digit, it will give you AC. If that is a string, how to sort?
String we can with the help of sort method.
String we will do with the help of sort method itself directly. We can sort using sort method. Clear? Next, if
Sir, why
array,
all are silent, sir?
I don't know, let it to be. I can't request this much. Array object. If
With the
array
help of
object, how to do that?
with the help of
We can
comparison.
sort using comparison function. Correct? But how to do that? Here, but here we have to access data
With the
using
help of key.
key. Is this clear, everyone? Or any issue? Let me
Yes,
know.
sure, yes, sir.
This is the 4 point. That's it. Means 3 point only. If that is number, okay, we can sort using the comparison function. Okay. If that is a string, we can sort using the sort method. If that is array object, we can sort using the comparison function, but there we have to access data using the key.
Sir, line number 85, you just mentioned comparison function. Function would be anonymous function.
Number, yes.
Yes, anonymous function because
Using comparison function, pass here anonymous, ANONYMOUS. I don't know whether this spelling is correct or not. I think that correct. Anonymous function. Okay. So clear or not? Tell me, then I will get whatever you're telling. Okay, so here again
Yes.
same thing. It's with the help of returning let x, y, z. This thing you can get. Comparison extent particularly more complex. Okay, so see this line, what it going to do? Let x equal to a dot type dot to lowercase. It will convert in the form of lowercase. Okay, then b dot type dot to lowercase. It will convert into lowercase. Means both become in same format, lowercase. After that, it checking if x less than y, return -1. If x greater than y, return 1, or otherwise return 0. What it -1 and 1 means? I had discussed in the operator section. What are you getting from the -1? -1 means
Last value.
1 second. Let me stop recording first. Yeah. So see, we had covered the array method. Okay. Now what is the topic? Let me see. Oh my God, array iteration is there. Now again the array method is still it's going on. It's again the very long topic.
Sir, is a very
See,
interesting topic. Literally, I'm telling, sir.
I can
For each
tell
method.
you, I can tell you one thing. The array is most important topic of your complete programming section. Not even JavaScript. Sir, whatever
Yes, sir.
point
Yes, sir.
in
Yes, sir.
console print on UI, sir. Oi, Dharmender, what you telling? Whatever dot you have, you can try from your end. Dharmender, what you telling to print?
So in array we write object, sir. That object on UI, sir.
Which one? This object.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah,
This,
sir. Cars.
yeah, you can print that because the cars is there, and just take this on the UI. That's it.
Sir, but sir,
What happened? Are you not getting?
no,
Okay,
sir.
let me go with document.write method, because otherwise I have to target some ID there. Let's see where it came. It giving you object console cars dot log. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Wait. Oh, you have to tell that which value you want. Which value you want? Cars dot. Sorry. POV. Let's say undefined. Given.
Sir, it's coming, sir, like that. But I want all values, sir.
Value in the sense.
All complete, sir.
Now it's
Whatever in
coming in the
array. Yeah,
yeah, it's
sir.
coming
That is a
now.
problem.
Yeah, we will get that. But what do you want actually?
I want all values like a student name equal to yeah, Mohan, date of birth, like that,
Okay.
like
Yeah,
that.
it
All.
will come. That's not an
Means
issue.
whole object he want.
So I am trying to convert in a string and then also using join method, but it's not come, sir. We are passing DOB, sir. DOB come. Yeah, sir. Like that, it's come, but I want some. I don't know.
I can tell you. Go with for loop.
Sir, using yeah, sir.
Apply.
Using loop, it's came, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
can
then
I
how you will?
pass again the card 0 and dot
When
student
sir,
name?
when we passing array, sir, we can write only array name. It's came.
See, what is the issue? It can't able to loop. Okay, that's why we're not getting. See, we can get easily. Wait, I will take cars dot for each. Yeah, I don't know with for each it will work or not. No, for each maybe it will give error. For this one you have to go with for in operator. Take for loop. Let's it to be. Then let I equal to 0. I, what you written here? I less than cars dot length. Cars dot length. You will go up to length, and here you will pass I plus plus. Dharmender, is this correct or not?
0 car dot. Yeah, sir, it's correct, sir. When will we print, sir, I value, you pass in, sir, index. Where is the index? I value pass in index.
Why are you giving error? Oh, comma. Semicolon.
Pass semicolon, sir.
Got this? 2001, 2005, everything.
Yeah,
Apply
yeah.
here, break tag, BR. How to add BR here?
Sir, in double quotation, sir. You can pass after I, car dot I, sir.
Here also we
Before,
can write that.
before, yeah, we can, sir. Plus double quotation.
The same things we are going to study for
Sir,
each loop.
It came
yeah, we can do.
2001, 5. Yeah. We can get with the help of for loop itself, because you can't loop this otherwise. It's not possible. Got it?
Yeah, sir, from for each loop is automatically
Yeah,
taken.
yeah.
It's a number,
Yeah,
sir.
for each it will give you.
These things we are going to study for each loop.
Don't worry.
Sir, but in
This thing
array
will
case,
come.
it's loop is not required, sir. But inside array have object, it's required loop.
No,
Sir,
but
I'm trying
how you
15.
will print? How
Yes, sir.
if you will not loop? If you will not loop, then how it will get each data each time? Getting my point? Each data, how you
Yes,
will
sir.
get each time? It's not possible.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yeah, yes.
That's why. So let's see. So there is for each. What is the use of for each? It is for the iteration purpose. What is the means iteration? Iteration in the sense iterate in the sense loop. Means if you riding bike, if your bike having petrol, what you will do? You will drive as long. Once your bike petrol got over, you will be shut down. That means this. It will start a loop. It will go until he have the capacity. Once his capacity finish, he will stop. So let's see how to loop. This is simple actually. This is not much more. But see one thing, whatever we are studying in the point of means interview purpose or in the working life also, it's too important whatever we had studied. So for each, it will go for the looping purpose. So for each method, call a function, a callback function once for each array element, means each time it will call that. So you don't know regarding that callback. Later we will. Let me remove this one. Numbers dot for each, and here we will pass 1, then this one, then console.log dataj. Remember, is this correct or not? I think it should have to correct.
It's correct, sir.
Recording is going on or not?
No, sir, because you stopped it.
No, I started, I think.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Going on. Going on.
So see, what are we doing here? We taken one array numbers, and inside that we had passed some value. After that, we wanted to loop. Loop in the sense we want each value. Just now Dharmender have dot, we had done that one. That is again the for loop. We will look over that also, but it will come later. Now we wanted to loop over array. So what we will do, it's simple. You can go with for each, whether it's array, number, anything. You can go with the for each. How to apply that? It's a simple, as like we was passing previously. Numbers is the array. So we taken array. What we have taken? Tell me. Array dot whatever method is available. So which method?
For each method.
For each. So here we had pass for each, and inside for each, actually, I'm going to cut this line. Now do one thing, just save. Are you getting error? So see, array dot for each. Let's do one thing. Previously we had seen that how to write and whatever the means argument required, this that we had seen. We will do the same thing. Just see. So for each, see that array dot for each, and here you have to pass callback function. We will learn that what is callback. Callback in the sense whenever required, it you can call that. Callback means this one. So you will pass here one callback. So how you will pass callback? So it's a simple. Just take care. Inside the parenthesis, what we had written inside parenthesis, you have to write one parenthesis again. You have to give equal to, you have to give like this way. This is known as arrow function. Okay, and here you have to write whatever you want. So we want where you want to print the data. We want to print data inside console.log. So we will write a console.log. Next, now the issue. What is the issue? What value it will come here? What value it will come here? Can anyone explain? Just give me 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. So what means for each and how it's working? So let's see how the for loop is working. Just think. So suppose that. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. What we had written in the for each condition? Tell me. We had written here array dot next for each. Then we passed parenthesis. Next.
Equals to
Number dot for each, sir.
No, not equal to. See, parenthesis inside again we had passed one parenthesis. pass parenthesis. After this,
equal to.
next, greater than.
Yeah.
Make arrow. After this, where you want to
Dot.
print the data. I want to print data in the console.log. Means it will give you output console.log and pass that. Now what will happen? Each time it will iterate the loop. Fine. It will iterate the loop. Iterate in the sense it will start the loop and it will work. So let's see. Second. So see. Array dot for each. It taken the array value. What is the value? 10, 20, 6, 25. So see what will happen. It will take the first value 10. It will go to array dot for each. It taken the 10 means the first value 10 and it passed here 10. Okay. It will pass 10 here and same whatever value you will pass here, it will available to this console. Means you have to pass any variable here. What variable we can pass? Tell me. Any variable? Just
Any
we can write like a response. Be written RES, response or result, whatever you can think. That's a response. So same thing, whatever you written here, that will be available here console.log, because the output where that is storing. Output is storing in this case. In this parenthesis on each loop. See. 1 second. Let me go back. So 1 second. Where is the value? 10, 20, 1, 30. Yeah. So it will take the first value 10. It given that complete array. This is your array. It will take the first value. It will do for each, means it will start the loop and where it will pass the value. So first value, it will go here. It will give 10. Means it done the looping, it given the value. Now the value is stored here and due to equal to sign, now it will available, means you can utilize that. After this right side, you can utilize. So where I want in the console. What you do, you can do console.log. So you will not pass the value here, you will pass some variable. I take an X. So who have the value? X having value? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Due to for each first loop, X having the value. So we will get that value, means we will print the value X. Now second value, it taken 20. Now take care the second loop and think how it will work. It taken 20 due to the for each, it came array. Due to for each, the 20 came here. 20. What is the variable? What is the variable name?
X.
Variable is X. Means now tell me who have this 20 value? 20 is available to X. Correct or not? Now 20 is available to X. So if you will print here console.log X, what value you will get? Now we will get 20. Correct. Next, it will take the third one. That is 1. It will do the same operation. It will go to array and this is callback function. This is known as callback function. So here, what is the variable? Variable is X. What is the value now? Now the value is 1. Okay, on the third loop, because we are going again for each. So it become that. Who is this? Okay, this is third value. Okay, so what value came? It came 1. So who have this one value? Who have that one value? Available to X. Fine. So what we want in the console, we want X. So here what it will give? It will give you 1. Now next value. What is the next value? Next value is 30. So again the same condition, array dot for each, callback method is there. So callback will get 30 on each condition. It will get 30. Okay. And who have this 30 value? 30 is available to x. And where we want this x, whatever callback value got, we want in the console.log. So we got here with the help of x. Had you got something? Now come to the our coding section. Then you will get something more clarity. So see how it working. So we will pass here some variable. Tell me what variable we can. Anything?
Result.
I taking res. So now tell me one thing. Let me remove this. Let me remove this also. Will we get any error? Will got any error? We got one error. Why? It's showing that res is not defined. Because how to write that callback? With the help of inside what? Parenthesis. Correct or not? Inside parenthesis you have to write. After this, what we have to pass? We have to make one arrow function. Correct. After this,
Yes, sir.
what we have to write? I don't know what we have to write. Let's remove this arrow function also. Oh, 1 second. We have to pass this, then only it will work. Okay, let's save. We got that error because arrow function is required, and after that, give arrow function, and after that where you want to print the data. So we want to print the data in the console. So that's why we writing console. Now tell me who have that value. 1 second. Who getting value? What is the callback function? Where is the callback? Callback is this
Res.
parenthesis.
Res.
Res is callback. Okay. So whenever you will call, it will come. Name itself is suggesting like that. Call back means call me. So whenever you will call, it will come back. So who getting on each loop? Who getting the value? Like 45 is there, then 4 is there, then 9, 16, 25. On each loop, who getting the value? Which variable? Just
Number
now in
variable.
paint, just now in paint we had seen x was getting the value, and we passing this x in the console.log. Correct or not? That callback. Callback here is the res. So res getting value on each loop, each time. Means first loop started number dot for each. Numbers means what? It will take this complete array, and it started the loop. So it will take the first value 45, and to whom it will pass 45.
Res. First
Res.
number.
So yeah, so first value it will assign to res, means this first value is available to res, means now the wherever we want this output, we can pass this in our result section wherever you want to display. So here we want, here I will write res. Now whatever loop we start, all the result there. Now see, so we got output. Let's do one thing. Go in the debugger mode. Then you will get more and more idea. Now see, I am starting this debugger. Take care. Otherwise, I will not responsible for this. Yeah. So first I start. Now see what happened. Had he given anything? No. Where it gone? In one time itself, it finished. 1 second. It not have to like that. Oh, one shot itself, it finishing that. Array dot for each. Okay. That I will go in a step into. Yeah, now you will see. See that. 1 second, let me stop again. Okay. See, we got in the array. Okay. Here we getting all the array value. Correct. Now I will not go with this step over. I will go step into inside that for each. So let's see what happened. One loop executed. What happened in the response? It got 45. We got also here the 45. Now go again next step into. What happened? It giving 45. Okay, it's not came out. Now where is that? It came console.log. Now see that response. It came 4. What is the response value? Response value came 4. Correct? Now go next. What is the value now? It is the third loop. See this. 1 second. See this one, response. Okay. What you getting now? Response is 9. So in the console, we will get 9. Go next. Take care here. Next value it will come. Next value is 16. See that third loop start means a fourth one came. Response 16. Response becomes 16. 1 second. It not. Okay. Response becomes 16. See this. It becomes 16. Fine. Next, go one more time. Then response will become 25. Then response it's 25. Then it will come back because now it's completed. Now see, it came out and you got that complete response. It will not show the response here because you got that data in the print in console. Now came out. Clear? Had you got some idea? Had you got or not?
Yes, sir.
Because what it was doing, it was taking the value on each loop and it as providing to the callback. Okay. And on each callback, it giving value to this one. And after that, it printing wherever you want. Be printing in the console. Do one thing. Take this value on the UI. Take the value on UI. So how to take the value on UI? Tell me. We will write something. H1. Okay. And value value. Then we will pass here ID demo. Let's save and came here. Where is that? Oh, debugger is going on. Wait, let me stop that. Okay, so what we will write here? Document.
Get element by ID.
One thing. Why we writing this here itself? We will check that. Document dot get element by ID and demo. Okay. Dot inner HTML equal to. Now tell me what it should be.
RES.
RES, correct? Because who have that value? Response have that value. Each time RES getting that value. That's why we passed RES. Now this semicolon giving you error because when you writing multiple data after this arrow function, then you have to start curly braces. Okay, I start this curly braces and then write the multiple function. Then automatic semicolon will came here. Now save Now see, be getting data 45, 4, 25, 16. Okay, but on our UI, be not getting that value, be getting only last value. Why? Can anyone tell me?
Override, sir.
Yeah. So it overriding the value. How to get that? Please upload your software instruction access to access. How to get all the value without overriding? Any idea? No idea. Have you got the value? All the value? 45, 4, 91. See that? We got that or not? What I done?
Sir, assigning, sir. It's coming on one number, sir.
Now see. We got 45 on the first, 4, 9, 16, 25. How we got the value? What is this operator? Maybe while learning time, you thinking it's a simple plus minus this, that going on. Now tell me. What is that operator name? No one. This way you learning JavaScript. Oh my God. What is this, Dharmender? Which operator?
Yes, sir.
What is this operator?
Assignment, sir.
This is assignment operator. What is Shivani?
Sir, assignment operator है.
Yeah, so this is operator. This is assignment operator. Okay, what it doing actually? So see, what happened? What I had told you in assignment operator, it will add all the data with itself. Okay, so that it doing actually means whatever you writing, it will combine together. Means if you writing 1, next is you writing 45. Okay, after that it will suddenly write next value 4. Then what is the next value? 9. What is next value? 16. What is next value? 25. If you removed this one, equal to means just I will comment this line. Now see, if you will write like this, you will get this output. Sorry, this got overridden. That's why we not get any output. So how to get this complete output? So for getting complete output, you have to do here plus operator. Why be plus operator? For the assignment purpose. Now see the output. You will get this output. See this 45, 4, 9, 1, 6, 2, 5. It came because it going to add that. Now what I want to break that each value. I want to break into new line. So how I will do? So that's why I added here break with the help of a concatenation. See, whatever we had discussed, each line is important. It's simple, I know that. But when you will practice, that time you will realize, yeah, it's very useful. So see what I done. I added that done the plus operator, and then I added the BR tag, HTML. This is HTML tag. So how you will add HTML? Just with the help of a inside single quote or double quote. BR tag. Now see the output. We got output this one, but see the problem. 45 is not breaking. How to break 45?
Sir, BR pass after the service.
Where I have to pass BR?
After before race.
So see, if I will pass this
Before response, sir.
Yeah, before here, then it will work. I think I don't know whether it will work or not,
Sir.
but let's see it will work. And you got the idea what we had done and why we had written that line of code.
Sir, how to remove
So-
value, sir?
Yeah, that is actually coming from here.
H1 tag. H1 tag you mentioned that.
Oh, okay.
This I had written actually. That's why. So this way, what it going to do? It going to concatenate all the things. Means it going to assign the value. Got it? Clear? Anyone having any doubt how the for each working and how to assign the data on UI? Because on UI you will not get the value. That's why we had done like this way, because it will override all the value. This is HTML. On console be getting the value, but on HTML it going to override. That's why we passed plus equal to operator. What is the expansion of this plus equal to operator? Can anyone tell? Who will tell? Abhishek, tell me. What is the expansion of plus equal to operator? 4 plus equal to 5. How you will write this one? Abhishek
4.
is here or not?
Sir,
Wait.
4.
1 second, Samir, wait. Abhishek is not there. Okay, wait. I have to give extra dose him. Just wait. Praful, Roshan, tell me how to expand this line of code.
Sir, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5, in z is equal to x plus 5, x plus y.
Wait, what you told? I not asking corona report. How will you extend this one? Samir, tell. We will write
Can
4.
I?
Yeah, tell.
We will write 4 plus 5
4 plus 5
and equals to
equal to
x.
x. So see, means what it will do, whatever value you passing here, okay, it will not x, actually it will 4. So whatever you are adding means this all value. What?
No, it is okay. I'm asking about the X is not there.
Right, x
Yeah.
and y. So see what it will do, x plus y, correct, and
X is
x
equals to x plus
equal
y.
to, correct. So what it going to do, x plus y, it given the result x plus y and it assigned to x. Then next it will take some value, again it will do the same operation. So that it is doing here, it whatever value it's taking, means first it taken the 45, it taken 45 and it given to the response 45. Then this 45 become not the part of this one, it become part of this side. Now it taken 4. Now the response got 4. What happened? 45 and 4 is there. 45 is already there. Now the new value came 4. So now the final value 45 and 4 both came. Second time 9 came. Means 9 came here. 45, 4 and 9. What I want? Between each value I want to break. That's why I added a break there. So each time when you got the new value, it got broken into new one. Clear? Why we had written like this. Okay, so this completed. For each, had you got idea what for each working? So see, just keep in mind for right now how to write that for each. That's it. So we will write here array dot for each
method.
and here we will pass the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, you have to pass the callback. How to write callback? With the help of parenthesis itself. Okay, and you have to give arrow function. Just first write this much. After that, just pass variable. So which variable? You can write any variable. After this variable will get all your value on each loop. This res will get the value. So what you will do, wherever you want, you can pass the value. Where I want in the console. So that's why I written console.log. But don't pass here semicolon. See that, otherwise you will get error. So see, if I will format this line, automatic this curly braces is not there. That's fine. If I will pass curly brace, this flower bracket. So see the issue. If I pass curly braces, automatic when you will format, curly braces will gone. Let's format. Oh, it's not gone. 1 second. It's not gone, but sometime it will gone. Okay, but if you writing just a single line of sentence, a single line inside this one, it's not required that curly braces should be. But when you writing multiple lines, see that I had written here 2 line of code. That's why the curly braces is compulsory. Okay. So see, I showing you the output. Let's cut this line and save. We getting the output, correct? Remove this curly braces because what I told, single line no required. Remove this. It's become simple. Only one line of sentence. Remove this semicolon and save. We got the output. Is any error? No. But when you passing this line of code, see that error came. Why that error came? Because put part the pass that one, comma is expected. Pass here something, semicolon. It give an error. What is the required? What I told, multiple line curly braces should be required. Cut this line. Okay, and pass the curly braces, and now pass that value. Now you're not getting error. Got this? So when you writing single line, curly braces not required. When we writing multiple line, curly braces is compulsory. Clear up to for each method, or anyone having any doubt? Now tell me. So see here what we had done, it also taken same type, text plus equal to value, and then it's taking a BR tag. Now tell me if you have any issue in the for each concept. But see, one thing I will tell you, you will see here itself. See in this concept, here it had taken some value. It's optional actually. Here, when we seeing, if you will see somewhere anywhere examples, you will see that 3 value. One argument as value, second is as index, and third is as array. So it's taking the complete array, it's taking the index, and it's taking the value. So if you want, you can pass like this. If you not, you can remove. It's not compulsory. Okay, we can pass just simple whatever we had passed, but it's going for each itself. See that for each and my function. Clear for each or not? So this completed now. Yeah. So note that the function takes 3 arguments: the item value, the item index, and the array itself. So all value you will get there. Whatever value you want, you can get. Let's see this example also. This is very interesting topic actually. Don't get confused. It's very simple. If you will practice automatic, you will get that idea. Console.log txt. Now save. Check. What happened? What we got? we got like this way. Why? Txt it adding again and again. See what it done. It added each time. It's showing that looping. See that. First time it came only 45. Okay, and 45 plus BR. That's why we got 45 and BR. Second loop started. We got 9. So 9 and BR. And what is the previous value? 45 and BR. That's why 45 BR and 4 BR. Then next loop 9. 9 came. What is the value? 45 is already there, 4 is already there, and 9 is new. So 45 BR, 4 BR, 9 BR. It came all the things. So it going like this way. So what we had seen, 3 argument, comma, index, 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 comma, array. Let's see whether we will get that also or not. So do that. Check what we getting actually. INDEX. Let's save. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, whatever. See one thing. Had we passed this index anywhere in the parameter, where the function we are calling the function, we passing means we are passing from there. So see that we are not passing from here. Okay. And inside the function, inside the for each, what is this written actually? My function. Is this function name or function? What is this one?
Function
How
name.
to call the how to call
Function.
the function? How to call function?
Braces, sir. Brace.
With the
My
help
function.
of no, not parenthesis.
Yes, sir.
Here, suppose if that is function call, then we have to write like this way. But this is not function call. This is call of the function itself. Correct or not? With the help of function name. Parenthesis is not there. So be calling that complete function. So what we passing value, index and array. If you will pass here argument, 3 argument, then only you will receive here. But we are not passing anything. We are just calling the function directly. And be accepting all the value, whatever value, index, array. But we will not take it, means say, if you want this type, you can. If you in future, if you want to use this thing also, you can. Otherwise, just we will take that value. So it's maybe it look like for you complicated. Don't worry. We will just use this line of code. That's it. But yeah, for understanding purpose, go through this line also. What it is written actually. Clear? Otherwise, just if you not want, no need. Just go through this line. Is this line clear or not? Sweta, this line is clear for each?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remaining we will learn tomorrow. So 1 second.
Class
Next
is
is
finished.
actually what, Sweta?
Class is now finished.
Classes not finished. Classes got finished. When you joined?
8
5 minutes
8?
before.
5 minutes before. Sweta, before 5 minutes.
Sir, you explained this topic, sir. That time I joined.
Oh, means for each.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So had you got this for each?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.